Hello, and welcome back to the SMART Tech2Tech video series on the SMART table. In this third video, we'll focus on a basic understanding of the SMART table and its configuration for the classroom. Your SMART table has three modes for you to access depending on what you need to accomplish. Teachers will need to understand and operate in the student and teacher modes, while the IT staff should understand all three modes. But we will mostly focus your attention in the teacher and the desktop mode. Upon startup, the table defaults to the student mode, and this is where students can interact with the lessons and activity packs created by the teacher. We will discuss how to navigate from one mode to the other and what actions are performed in each mode. Your SMART table comes preloaded with the necessary software and is ready to use. The SMART Table Toolkit is an additional download available from the SMART Support website for teachers to create and modify lesson and activity packs, which can be downloaded from the SMART Exchange. Also included is SMART Sync software for the purpose of accessing the table from the classroom computer. SMART Table Toolkit software is used by teachers to create and customize content for the SMART table. When table applications are combined, the result is an activity pack which students can collaborate and learn together. Paint, Addition, and Media are a few examples of SMART table applications. Let's take a look at the parts you'll need to assemble when your shipment has been received. The parts will come to you in two boxes. One box contains the SMART table itself, while the other box holds the table pedestal and legs. An Allen wrench comes with the parts, but you will need a No. 2 Phillips head screwdriver to attach the pedestal side covers. This simple assembly's main focus is to attach the four legs to the pedestal and mount the tabletop. The pedestal attaches by connecting the four tabletop posts through the holes in the pedestal. Once they are mounted flush, the lock arms shown in the picture swing in and lock the table to the pedestal. Once your SMART table has been assembled and plugged in, you will find the power button as shown on this page. As a note, this is only for powering on the SMART table. To turn the table off, you must shut it down. Select the power icon in the corner of the screen. You can use SMART Sync software to link the SMART table with the teacher computer. This allows you to control, monitor, assist, communicate, and transfer activities through your network. The teacher version and the student version of SMART Sync must match for successful communication. SMART Sync Student Edition is already loaded onto the SMART table, so be sure to download and install the most current version of the SMART Table Toolkit on the teacher computer from smarttech.com. After you install and activate SMART Sync Teacher software on your teacher computer, set up and configure a network, and configure the SMART Tables version of SMART Sync Student software. SMART does not provide antivirus or network security software with the SMART table. When you turn on the SMART table, the computer automatically logs in as an administrator with user account controls disabled. Incoming network ports are blocked. However, outgoing communication, such as web browsing, is still possible. To navigate between student and teacher modes, you have two choices. You can insert a USB drive into one of the ports on the table, and it will automatically switch into teacher mode. Or press 5 fingertips down into the center of the table for 5 to 8 seconds until a cogwheel appears in the corner of the display. While maintaining finger pressure in the center of the table, select the cogwheel to navigate to Teacher mode. While in Teacher mode, you will find settings to configure the SMART table for the classroom. Access to calibrate, set number of students, volume, and the center button will access folders to store activity packs which teachers have loaded from a USB drive, the Smart Exchange, or Smart Sync. To navigate from Teacher mode to the desktop and set up Smart Sync and your network on the table, select the X in the corner of the screen to be prompted to navigate to the desktop. As a note, you can plug in a USB keyboard and a mouse for use on the desktop, but also note that the screen is still touch sensitive, so don't rest your tools on the tabletop. You can now set up and configure the table to your network from the Table Desktop Network and Sharing Center. Prep the teacher computer by assigning a name to the Smart Sync teacher software. For example, Smart Table Class. Student Sync software comes pre-configured with your Smart Table. Smart Sync teacher and student will recognize each other when they are on the same network, and you can now use the teacher computer to control, monitor, and transfer files to the Smart Table. For further detail, please download the resources made available to you on the Smart Support site. You will find a table toolkit and user guide and installation guides. Thanks for watching.